What's up, I'm Hype. I play games, make games everywhere, and today we're going to be doing a walkthrough to help you learn how to make games on your phone better and faster. This app has thousands of games made by players like you and me. Every game can be remixed by hitting a couple of buttons, turning every game into a template. This game looks kind of cool. Let's just make some quick edits. There we go. Looks like a lot of space stuff happening in the background. We can test the game. I think that was good. Because I'm still new to making games, I like to do the tutorials and the walkthroughs to see if there's anything new I can learn. If you find a game you like and would like to play again, be sure to hit the heart button once to save it to your lights, or twice to save it to your library. The library is this tab down here, and the lights are over here. Let's get to the tutorial. Go to create, and we got basics, we got learn game art. Let's check out simple object and animation. Welcome back. Now you'll add movement to a scene with simple animation. Let's get started. Select the yellow cylinder. Open the advanced details. Right now we're looking at the basic tab. Next we got the advanced tab. Here you can see the logic nodes that an object has. You can put logic nodes inside an object, outside an object, depending on what you're trying to create. I usually try to keep it in the object itself. Tap here to add a new node to the cylinder. Okay, tap that plus button. Looks like we are going to be adding a simple animation. The simple animation node was added to the cylinder. Yep. Open the node properties. The default animation, rotate around X, should be okay for the cylinder. Test this. We're going to hit play. When making a game, you want to play test all along throughout the process, just in case you miss something, just to make sure everything works the way you think it should work. Let's see. So right now it's spinning and looks like we're in the factory. We got Ping up there hanging out, chilling in the corner.
Very nice.
Cylinder rotates around the x-axis. Tap this pole next. Tap to add a node. Simple animation. So we're adding a simple animation. Open it up. Open the list of different animation. And here it looks like we're going to check out hover. What does hover do? Let's play test. Oh, look at that. So it's just moving up and down, kind of like a steam pipe. Use the hover animation if you need to move an item up or down. Okay. Now tap the surveillance camera. Just add a node here. Looks like we're adding a simple animation. Open it up. And we're going to go with swing on the y-axis. The surveillance camera should do a slow scan. So we're going to change the speed to 0.3. Set appropriate values. Let's play test. Camera is working and scanning the room. Let's hit back. Swing Y made the camera turn back and forth around the y-axis. Cool. Nice work. Let's add one more animation. Select this machine. Tap add node. Okay, another simple animation. Open the node preference. And we're going with breathe. Oh yeah, this one's cool. Breathe animation scales an object on the y-axis. Let's make the machine vibrate quickly. Change the speed to 8. Magnitude to 0.1. Set appropriate value, and when you're done, tap. Let's play test. Oh, look at that machine go. Much faster, looks more realistic now. We got a lot of things moving in the background. Reset the view. That's all. Experiment with simple animations to invent new uses for them. Keep up the good work and have fun making hypes. Simple animations are great to just add all over throughout a level to add more vibrancy than just a basic object that exists and doesn't move. You want an object to move a little bit up and down, make it breathe, hover, whatever. Simple animations are a great tool to utilize when polishing a game. Until next time, I'm Hype. Stay safe out there and peace.